to create Tween Service, all you need to do is create a new part, anchor the part, and create a new script inside of it. The best way to think about Tween Service is like you have an animator inside of your script that allows you to animate properties of an instance inside of the script. To get the Tween Service, you need to get it from inside of game, get service, Tween Service. And you can run the Tween Service create method to create the Tween Service. And as you can see, this method has 3 arguments. First one being the instance, self-explanatory. Instance is basically like on which instance do you want to actually run the animation. So let's say our current part, scripted parent. Next up is the tween info, basically how you want the animation to actually look like. And the final one is property table, basically the call values of properties for your Tween Service. So to create tween info, you will have to create a new instance called tween info.new, and it also has a bunch of properties. The first one being time, basically how long does it take for your animation to get from the start to the finish. So for example 0.5 seconds. Easing style, you know, the style of the animation. As you can see, Roblox has a bunch of pre-made styles that you can use, but we will use the basic linear, so idiom easing style linear. Next up is easing direction, basically in which direction do you want the style to go. Is it from start to finish or from finish to start? So for me it will be in, so from start to finish. Next up is repeat count, basically how many times do you want the animation to repeat. For example, if I put 2, the animation will just run 2 times, but if it's a negative number, for example -1, then it will run just infinitely. The final one is reverses, and it's also self-explanatory. If you want the animation to actually like go back to your original values after it finishes, then you have to put true. So now we have our info, and the final is the property table, basically the call values of properties. Let's say we want our parts position between by script.parent.position plus vector 3.new 0 10 0. This will basically make our part go up by 10 stats. And let's say we want our size to be tween as well, script.parent.size plus vector 3.new 2 2 2. So this will also make our part grow by 2 stats in every direction. So now we have our tween. We can actually store it inside of a variable. Let's say tween equals, and we can play the Tween Service animation using the play function. And that's basically it. Good luck scripting.